Shape. Giving shape to ideas, turning thoughts into reality. Once we give an idea a shape, even just one sheet of paper can fly higher and further. With practice, dreams take shape. From 2D into 3D, DGSHAPE has produced innovation by transforming 2D printing into a 3D processing technology.
Shape ideas.
Taking inspiration to move people's emotion.
Shape change.
Continuing to learn and evolve beyond our boundaries.
Shape the future.
Provide values to the next generation. DGSHAPE respects diverse perspectives and values learning from one another and fearlessly taking on challenges. We take initiative and move forward with our teammates. Action shapes the world. We strive to deliver a more enriched, convenient, and comfortable future through digital innovation.
Make innovation, make life better.
We encourage people to accept challenges and pursue growth. We support everyone's potential to create their own future.
Empowering people to shape the future.